Whoa.
That was big as the sun.
That's why
That was as big as this.
Well, I turned the air down because the sun was in here and it was hotter than heck in here.
What's that?
Is it here?
Those ones.
That's cool.
Whoa. Oh god. This is way up there.
Pretty cool.
Oh,
Was not expecting
clown
that.
hair.
Yeah.
Oh, machine guns, huh?
Let's sing about war and 4th of July. Pew 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 pew.
I drew.
Oh god. Can't.
Yeah. They're working on more designs.
I saw like there's 20 states that have a fireworks ban tonight.
They had
It
what?
was so hot.
Fireworks ban because
Oh, really?
it's so dry. 20 states, not cities,
Yeah.
states. And a couple of them are doing laser light shows instead. I'm like, oh, that'd be kind of cool. Something different.
I like how those break off.
They part. Yeah.
Remember when Muskegon used to do lasers on the lake?
Right.
That was cool.
It is.
Whoa. See.
I'm
Pew.
just
It's a
saying,
rocket
rocket.
just
Yeah.
now.
We're just talking about how we missed the Muskegon Summer Celebration.
Biscuit.
All the years I lived there, I never went.
Excuse me. I'm eating way too much of these.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Chubby.
put them down.
Tell me about it.
Fish.
People have their legalized.
20 minutes.
I just wish that people wouldn't do it when it's so dry out.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I agree.
That's why that church burned. Fireworks.
I was just
St. Mary
expecting that.
Magdalene.
I mean, I wouldn't even do it right now. If we had enough noise.
Jordan and I were laughing the other day. Remember when that one tipped over on Felix?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was the greatest.
Well, I asked Jordan if she remembered because she was so young and she started giggling. She was like, yeah.
Mason remembers them. I'm here too.
That blanket back on.
And- And it went to. Oh.
Yeah, buffalo butt.
Those ones don't even explode.
Nope.
I
Supposed
think
to.
I'd rather small fireworks.
They're not supposed to.
Wait a minute.
Pew pew.
Oh,
Oh snap.
gosh. Oh, snap.
Damn you.
Oh my
Lisa.
God.
Stop with the plate.
Yes, I'm trying to cover it up.
Oh my God! What are you doing?
They're making worms.
They're making worms.
Look at those ones fell.
I was taking after
And
Christmas. Those
exploded.
silent ones.
Open the window! Open the window!
This is
Whoa.
the fireworks. I'm sitting over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're not coming next year. Let's be prepared. SARS.
Poor
I
lady.
like the ones
He's
that
got a
make
tank
them-
top on. He can't pull his shirt over his mouth.
Oh my. Oh my.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus.
Whoa. Nice.
Gone yet?
Now that. Yeah.
Our-
So you gonna come over here and
Ed!
get bombs off over
Eddie!
here?
Ed!
I'm doing it.
Oh.
That's why I don't eat steak. Red meat makes me
That's why I don't eat steak. 'Cause I hate steak.
Why not?
I'll tell you, that red steak with that meat tonight was great.
Those white ones are pretty cool. We're
You're
not
starting to
fat.
cry, aren't ya?
Have you
Oh,
had
come
Ruth's
on,
Chris
I want
before?
steak.
Since it's
No,
cheap?
no,
Oh, okay.
no. But, yeah, they came up and the girl was very knowledgeable about all aspects.
Here goes
of,
another one.
The
Meats,
wine, right from the
wine.
wine to the steak to the,
They do good training.
yeah.
Oh.
Well, she said she's
Why are
done
you
this
looking at me?
Section of it, so.
And she worked at the, what is it, the 1913
Oh, okay.
room. So yeah, she was like a pro. And
Pew,
she's
pew,
telling us,
pew.
you know, there's only 2% of the state,
That one.
2%
Yeah,
of this
that one,
meat
that
sold
one.
in
Go
the
crazy over here.
United States.
A lot better than I remember it being last year. A lot cooler anyway. Oh
They
Jesus.
have like seafood
Now,
and chicken
those
options.
ones.
Yep.
Those are what I'm saying.
But they're known for a steakhouse.
What were the prices? Aren't they pricey?
Oh, huge.
Yeah, yeah.
There's no way I could eat there.
So it was 2 bills.
And then,
Nope, fuck that.
it was not, it was only 140.
Oh, only.
No.
Hey, look it.
65.
Yeah, 2 people who don't drink. So you bring Andy and I down there, we're gonna have
Oh yeah, forget about
$300.
it.
I had a beer.
I'll be here. Oh, my bad.
That's not very
It doesn't have to go all the way
Worth
up
it.
Let me
there.
spoil you.
Oh,
Talk to me when you go to the
It's lobster bisque. Just delicious.
Was it
The
to die
dog ones
for?
on-
It was. It was totally to die for.
It's like wicked deck
If
down
we
there.
wouldn't have got, because we got calamari, and then he got lobster
Whole town's
bisque, and
doing
then
it.
I'll see it all
Whoa,
the
look at
Whoa,
we
whoa.
had the mashed potatoes, they were an add-on.
And Ben
Yeah, those
wanted to
ones
try
are the ones
everything.
that are
And
awesome.
then,
Oh, look
Huge.
at huge.
When I went to Maine, the waitress
Oh
made
my.
my table.
I was not
like, well,
expecting
what's lobster
this.
bisque? And the waitress
Oh
straight
my
up from
God.
Lucas
from
wasn't
Maine
expecting
is
him.
like, oh my
Wow.
God, you have to try the lobster. It's
The
to
whole
die
side.
for. Like, apparently I'm
Most
trying
guys
the
could
lobster.
stop.
You like it? I love seafood, all of it. I don't care. It's all delicious.
So,
I'm
it's
surprised
so rich.
it's so rich. that you
Oh,
like it.
It is. Oh,
I love it.
yeah. And the béarnaise sauce.
Yeah,
really
no,
hard to
that
make
was
a good
extra.
béarnaise
Everything
sauce.
else.
That'll do, to be honest.
See that?
And look at those ones.
I don't think so.
Go on Google Earth and see if you can see it.
Those ones are pretty cool.
I don't think they're in
Yeah.
real time, are they?
I don't think they have
No,
it
because I
live.
Google Earth my house and
Those are still
Yeah,
snowing.
it looks like it's going right
Yeah.
over
no,
the
there's still a
highway.
chain link
It does.
fence. How many years has that been?
It's curving.
Although it's updated recently, actually, because last time I looked at it, the tree we cut down in the end of the driveway, there used to be 2 pine trees, one on each side. The one we cut down.
Oh,
was
jeez.
gone.
We need to see if we are.
Is this the finale?
Oh, Jesus. All right, I'm not even
Okay.
going for doors.
I hate you both.
Whoa, this could be the finale.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it could be.
Oh,
My God,
where
you
did you
just get
guys?
started.
See those ones way up there?
Or maybe that's why they put them on both bridges.
Yeah, I think that might be why.
Those things are
They were-
falling out those.
10 minutes long. Maybe 15
Well,
minutes.
actually, we're at 20 minutes almost.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, pop out of there.
Down there.
Oh.
We brought our tubes. So
Pew, 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 pew.
thought maybe we could just sit and take our tubes. It was so windy
Yeah,
that
there's a
you'd
bunch
start
of those
here and
ones.
you'd end up a mile away from where your towels were.
You staked them.
Was it windy over on the lake? They said
There's
it
a
wasn't-
nice breeze out
There were
there.
some whitecaps.
They said it wasn't as windy over there as it was here.
Duck Lake.
Oh, look at that,
Oh my
Luke.
God.
Holy
Oh, they do
shit!
that every year. They do that. They did that last year too.
I don't remember that.
Yeah, I remember. It's like a waterfall.
Very
Waterfall.
cool.
That is cool.
That is pretty
That's
awesome.
freaky when you first seen it.
Oh, they made water.
I don't remember
Look at how it's
that.
just
Oh,
going-
I
right.
do.
I
I
don't
remember
remember
that.
that
I
either.
do.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Mm.
There's a lot of smoke coming from that, Joe.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's like the lights are falling down
Yeah.
over there.
No, I don't think that's normal.
I don't think so either.
They do it every year.
I don't remember that.
I think you're on crack.
All I
Krista.
remember is the
I
water.
remember it too, so I must be on track.
I think you're on crack still.
See, it's nice. It
I
just falls in
remember the
water, but
crab.
it's
I
not-
remember the
I swear I didn't deal it.
Not nice for the fish,
No.
but
Mace, you should
Oh
take a picture.
God, you have to watch it.
They're on
We
YouTube
have it on
right
DVD. You can borrow it.
That was cool.
Where do you get your weed from?
It's still not done.
there. Gigante. Oh yeah, get your cheese up.
Big ones.
That's definitely not one you can watch.
Yeah,
At
right.
all.
there's still a spark light thing on that.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine.
We're all gonna die.
It's a concrete bridge.
Oh, Jesus, it's a fun.
It's a fire.
Actually, there's no more going on from that second
Jesus,
bridge,
Jesus,
though.
Jesus, Jesus.
It's
I love this family.
Gassiest.
He did it.
Lucas said, "Thank you."
I'll say excuse me when you get some manners.
That's true.
Excuse me, please.
Not until you get manners.
Like you, huh?
Can you please say excuse me?
Can you
At
please
all.
use your
Come on,
manners
bro.
all the time and not when told? Do we have a deal?
This way.
Do we have a deal? You use your manners all the time
Yeah,
without
let's
mom
go.
telling you, and then I'll say excuse me.
It's gonna
All
take
right,
forever to
excuse me,
upload.
please.
Oh god.
So where would you go, Stace, if we didn't come down here? Would you come down here and see him?
Not
No.
today.
No?
Yeah, not today.
We'd like
Oh, Ed, look at. Oh, you missed him.
Listen to the neighbor.
Oh, You can see some of them from home.
You Can you really?
Yeah, those ones that are really
But
tall.
we can see,
Really?
well, not now, but where we used to live at Andy's old house on 4 Mile, we could see some of them from the ballpark.
I wonder what the limit is on how far you can see, how far away you can see them from.
Oh, look at those ones. Those ones are really. I look
Yeah,
at.
that's crazy, huh?
They're
Yeah.
going everywhere.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, they're going
I like those.
fast down.
This is your brain on drugs.
This is Tom every Sunday morning.
Every single night time that happens here. Every single time.
Oh, I missed it.
Ice. Dubai. Pew! Pew, 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 pew. Ah, pistols, everyone. A big explosion. Pew, 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 pew.
Remember that one year cars were pulled over left and right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Now there's just that one.
Did you guys go to JCPenney?
No, Tom wouldn't go with
Tom, you suck.
Really loud.
Hey,
Shitty pushed me through Target.
oh my God.
Why don't you tell them about this morning, Mom? How you took like forever in Meyer?
Yeah, so?
Yeah.
Groceries.
It's a lot of stuff we can't even freaking eat.
Well, what are you gonna do? Eat it all in one day?
I would like to.
Just go to Meyer every day.
That's what she was complaining
I
about.
made BLTs, I made pasta salad, I made ribs.
You made too much crap,
I
man.
hate the ribs too, they're on sale.
Ribs? Those ribs were good though.
This one's good.
Did you buy those bratwurst and Meyer brats that are on sale?
No.
I bought the spinach mozzarella ones.
Oh, yummy.
We had those for dinner tonight. We kind of fought over the last one.
Those ones are
There
good.
you go.
Here's your
Oh,
drink.
there.
Seizure time.
Yeah, that's pretty birthday to it. That's scribbling.
It's scribbling. It's scribbles.
Sweet.
Yes.
Dang. That's hardcore. Really is seizure time. Goodness.
Those are my favorites.
Holy crap.
Oh, I feel it. It's vibrating.
Yeah, they got the bass too on. Awesome.
Much better.
There's a road.
Holy crap.
The camera has a fireworks mode, but it works better if you have a tripod. I read that in book this weekend.
How does a tripod make it better?
Because you don't shake. Because the shutter
That's
stays
true.
open longer to capture the fireworks and more potential to jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle,
Guess
jiggle,
so.
jiggle. Yeah.
Woot.
that is it.
Yay.
That was actually
And,
pretty
Are
awesome.
they going nuts down there?
Alright.
I think there's one more lining up over there.